video of how to do your roots at home. Give your hair a little brush through, make sure it's not knotty before you start, just to make the process a little bit easier. I have a middle part anyway, but I would always try and go somewhere roughly around there, just to start out, make it a little bit easier for you. Get your gloves on, get a little mount on your brush. You can always brush it either side on your bowl to remove a little bit of excess. And you want to use one hand to actually hold the hair down. This will really help when applying so that you don't completely cover all the ends of your hair. So just do gentle brush strokes, cover your regrowth area. You don't want to go too far down unless your roots are obviously all the way down there, but you just want to brush over where your regrowth is really. And then using the other side of the brush, so literally just flip it over, apply to the other side. Get extra product as you need it. So again, holding your hair really taut, and then the same on the other side. You want to hold it flat because it will help you. So continue with this downwards to the bottom of your neck if you can. If not, you can stop around your crown or just after your crown, just to make it a little bit easier for today. I'm going to go straight down to the back of your ears and take that section there. So as you noticed, I'm using the end of my brush. If you've got a bottle, you could use that bottle nozzle, but just be careful that you don't spill it everywhere. To make things a little bit easier, you could use some sectioning clips or like a crocodile clip. I use this, it's probably easier for you guys. You might have things like this at home. And just do the same again. So along one side and then back on the other side. Move that a little bit. Okay, so using one side of the brush, the other side of the brush. That doesn't really matter too much if you don't. Just get the product on nice and evenly. And then we're going to do the same on the other side. Down to the back of the ears and section. Then we're going to go through these sections. So for today, I'm literally just going to show you the very front sections because I think that will be easier for you all at home. That's what you see and that's the most important part. Start up here and you're going to take diagonal sections like this, working down towards your hairline. So small little sections. You don't want to take too much, and again working with your brush. And just be a little bit gentle around the front. Sometimes you have some really stubborn greys though, and you do need to put the colour on slightly heavier, but at the same time you do want to be careful because your hair can be fine around the front and it can grab quicker and go quite dark, so just be a bit careful. Right, so your first section is done. So we'll go on to the next one. Again, diagonal sections working all the way down to your hairline. Said earlier, if you are using a box dye, which I don't necessarily agree with, you might be using a bottle with a nozzle. You can use that to section, and what you might want to do is, obviously you're not going to be brushing it on like this, you're probably going to apply it with the bottle. You could use the end of the bottle to kind of smudge it in a little bit as well, rather than using your hands a lot, because you might get a lot of product on your gloves and then you're going to get it on your ends. If you really have to, obviously use your gloves and your finger. You can almost kind of do a little slide along. It's a little bit tricky on yourself, but once you know how, find it a lot easier. Although you're probably really grateful for us hairdressers out there that do your hair. One of my clients recently said that she cannot wait to return because it was such a palaver doing it herself, but better than having greys, I guess. If you feel like going through the rest and you really want to cover up the rest of your hair, you basically just follow the same process in which I've just shown you, working from here downwards or however far you can go or have enough colour for. If you need to go around your hairline because you're a person that likes to tie up your hair, which is what I tend to do, I normally actually colour all of my hair, but anyway, for today, what I'll show you is you can literally just hold your hair up in a ponytail and just paint literally around your hairline so that when it's tied up, it doesn't look really, really bad, especially if you're quite grey. It might be quite a contrast if you've got a dark colour. Sit back, relax, let it develop. Hopefully this lockdown won't last too much longer. Hope it will keep us safe and well, and I hope to see you all again soon. But for now, you'll probably be seeing my face a little bit more like this. I'm going to be doing a few more videos for you, just to show you how to do your hair, since we've got so much time on our hands. We might not necessarily be doing a lot with ourselves, wearing makeup. This is one of the first days I've actually worn quite a bit of makeup today, for all of you lovely people. But I'm going to post a few more videos anyway. Stay safe, stay well, and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye.